So this is the moment of the truth we are going to unbox. Oh my god.
Kawasaki Banjara Hills who is working over there. 90 minutes is the given time. So here is the Dilip who have helped us with the demo, everything. Such a nice, humble guy. I'm having a good time at Banjara Hills, Hyderabad.
Hello guys, welcome to Fitness Food Biker. Here we are with our Z900, the monster which has completed the 1000 kilometers and ready for the first service. And that's topic being apart, we have ordered a pair of shoes from clanshoes.com and I have witnessed how dope and kick-ass they looks, and I have watching them on Instagram, so I couldn't resist. I was like, take my money and give me shoes. So I have ordered. This is a reality check. We are going to unbox them and see how they look in reality world. I'm pretty excited and pumped up. Let's go and check it out. The truth guys, we are going to open the box and see what is inside. Oh, I love this color, man. Oh my goodness, the box looks beautiful. So this is the moment of the truth we are going to unbox. Oh my god. Eco Shield, that means these products are made up of paper and recyclable. I'm awestruck. Just look at this packaging and the detailing. Love it or hate it, say it with a post it. Definitely we're going to check out what all are inside. Love it or hate it, say it with a post-it. I had a mini orgasm seeing your bike, effing squared. Nice bicycle, even my grandma parks better. I love these codes. Great ride, bro. Your ride sounds sweet, absolutely. It's green, inline 4 Z900 ride, so yes, it's sweet. I love this. This is the way to present. And here is the main character, man. Oh my goodness, look at the leather. Oh, these are the protections inside for the sole, and these are the side protections. Look at this piece, man. The leather detailing, I love them. Absolutely built like a masterpiece. Great job, clan. Great job. Drift Tech. So yeah, let's have some cinematics. Bro, I love the shoes, how they feel on the feet. As I said, you saw the unboxing and how it feels. This is my experience on the initial review. I'm going to drop the description for the how to purchase the shoes below in the description. So yeah, go and check it out. If you love it, go try. I love it. I think my followers should love them. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you like the content, and please subscribe and support and love, like, share. Bye bye.
Hey guys, so I was not planning to come for service,
I went for RTA registration and the counter has been closed unfortunately, so there was no plan to do service today, but I cannot find time. I was like doing day and night hustle, so I decided to come for service today. So we are in Kawasaki and that is a restricted place, so the service is going on there. So 90 minutes is the waiting time, so everything will be done. So I will be sharing the cost and what all has been done in the bill. So our bike is getting serviced inside and you can see it's a restricted area and I didn't even bring a mic, so it's totally unplanned. So there is the senior technician in Kawasaki Banjara Hills who is working over there. 90 minutes is the given time. I came at 4:30, maybe expecting at 6:30 to be delivered. And here is the sales, building head, everything. Your good name?
Suresh.
Suresh. So anything with the bill, queries, everything Suresh can help out. Such a sweet guy. And for maintenance charge, he will give a minimum billing. So here is the Dilip who have helped us with the demo, everything. Such a nice, humble guy. I'm having a good time at Banjara Hills, Hyderabad. Guys, Kawasaki is using Petronas F1 car engine oil. This is comes like 1300 per liter, and this is also Kawasaki recommended, but this comes around 750. So it takes totally 3.8 liter in the engine. So I'm opting for this because this is also a Kawasaki recommended and coming in half price. So if we go for this, the what is that, you can save like 11,000 for the service, and for this you can save like 2k, and this is also from the head Kawasaki. So yeah, this is a pro tip, save your money.